My name's Derek Hill, and I'm the sales manager for Syn-Mar Products here in Ellington, Connecticut. We are a family-owned and operated manufacturing company. We manufacture Syn-Mar's engineered stone that we use to manufacture grout-free shower wall systems and one-piece vanity tops. The reason that we reached out to CONNSTEP was to manufacture more products within our existing space. We realized we had a lot of waste and there was an opportunity to be able to hone in on our current processes, make them a little bit better, and enable us to manufacture more within our existing manufacturing plant. They gave us the background of who they are, what they can do, and we talked about their lineup of offerings. The Lean 101 training ended up being the perfect engagement for us because it allowed us to incorporate our entire team. It was a full off-site workday for our employees. The training was very interactive. It was really simple to work with them. We jumped right into a hands-on exercise where our team actually got to use Legos to build a finished product. This exercise definitely helped increase empathy across the team because it allowed team members to experience somebody else's point of view. So it really brought everything full circle and helped everyone understand the different layers of the production process. One of the main takeaways was definitely trying to eliminate that mindset of thinking this is how the job is always done. This experience really allowed all of our employees to take ownership in the situation, to see what the benefits are in trying something a new way. CONNSTEP has helped us dedicate the resources to figure out and improve specific areas based on our training in the Lean 101 course. So one of the things that we incorporated here is we were able to eliminate some of our molds. We now have this rack storage that keeps our molds above some of our production lines, which allowed more space in our shipping and receiving department. Everything in this area has been honed in on to make the flow from the production area into the setup department over here to be super simple so that all of our finished goods are basically heading out right the door over there. Super close to the shipping and receiving department. In working with CONNSTEP, we were able to delay the spending of almost 7 figures in funds to add on to our building. CONNSTEP really embodies our philosophy of constant improvement. As we continue to go down our lean journey, we will absolutely plan to do more with CONNSTEP in the future.